Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you on how to create a high-quality animated presentation using Canva. You can use these presentations for school, college, university, and professional purposes. I'll explain everything step by step to help you design clean, engaging, and professional presentations with ease. If you want to improve your presentation skills using Canva, make sure to watch this video till the end. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Canva tutorials. So, let's begin. First of all, open Canva. After that, click on Create a new presentation. A blank canvas will open, where you can start designing your presentation. Now, go to the Design section. Here, you will find a variety of presentation templates that you can use in your design. Some of these templates are pro templates, which are paid and have a crown icon on them, while others are completely free. In this tutorial, I will be using free templates. Next, go to the Search section. Here, you can search for presentations related to any topic and use templates according to your subject. For example, I am typing science presentation, and you can see that Canva shows multiple science-related presentation templates. Similarly, if I type English presentation, Canva will display presentation templates related to the English subject. You can easily add any of these templates to your design and customize them according to your needs. Now, I will go to the Design section and type Science Presentation in the search bar. From here, I will choose a free template for my presentation. I have selected this template, and when you click on the plus icon, the page will be added to your presentation. You can easily edit the images, add your own content, text, and images, and customize everything according to your requirements. All the elements in this template are fully editable. This template includes a total of 12 pages. You can add all the pages if you want. To do that, simply click on Apply All Pages, and all the slides will be added to your design. However, in this tutorial, I will work on only one page and design the rest on my own. That's why I'm undoing this step. After that, go to the Elements tab and type Natural Resource in the search bar. Then, move to the Graphics section and select any image you like. First, delete the existing image from the slide. Now, I have selected this graphic. From the same section, I have chosen an image of the sun. Reduce its size and adjust it at the top of the slide. Next, select the text, go to the text color option, and choose any color you prefer. You can select any color from here that matches your design. After that, go to the Effects section. From here, you can choose any text effect you like. If you want to add a background behind the text, simply select the background option. This will add a background to your text. You can also change the background color. Go to the color option and select any color of your choice. Here, you can also change the shape of the text. Simply go to the Shape section and select Curve. From here, you can increase or decrease the curve size according to your preference. However, I don't want to apply any shape right now, so I will click on None. You can also drag and adjust the text anywhere on the slide as needed. After that, add a new page. Then, go to the Background Color section, where you can choose any background color you like for your slide. After that, go to the Text tab and click on Add a Heading. Now, enter any text that you want to use for your presentation. Next, reduce the text size and move it to the top of the canvas. Then, go to the Font section and choose any font style you like from the available options. After that, go to the Elements tab and type Waterfall in the search bar. Then, open the Graphics section and choose any water-related image that matches your presentation. I have selected this image. Now, go to the Elements tab again and type Soil in the search bar. Open the Graphics section and choose any soil-related image that matches your presentation. I have selected this image and adjusted it according to the slide layout. By repeating the same process, add the remaining images to the slide and adjust all the images according to the layout. After that, change the slide background color. You can choose any color you like according to your preference. Then, go to the Text tab and add headings for all the images. After that, select the top text and go to the Effects option. From here, choose the background effect. You can adjust the background thickness, increase or decrease the spread, and change the transparency as needed. You can also change the text background color from here. After that, click on Add Transition and apply any transition between the two pages of your choice. From here, you can also increase or decrease the transition duration. In addition, you can animate all the elements on the slide. For example, select the text and click on Animate. Here, you will find different animation options, and you can choose any animation for your text. You can also animate the image. Simply select the image and click on Animate, then apply any animation to the image. I started applying animation to another image. For this, I selected Rotate, and you can see that the image has started rotating. Applying animations to any element is simple and adds a dynamic touch to your presentation. In the same way, you can apply animations to images on the next slide by repeating the exact same process. I've added some new slides to the presentation. Now, let's check it out. Next, you can view your presentation by using the Present option. First, click on Present, then select Autoplay. After that, click Present again to start. And here's a preview of your presentation. Next, go to the Share option, then click on Download. Choose the PDF Standard option, then select MP4 Video, and finally click Download. This way, your presentation will be downloaded. You can also add audio to it. If you liked this video, give it a like, share it, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.